What's up, guys? Are you ready to get beach, slim and smart body in just 1 month? Well, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to give you the ultimate guide on how to lose weight fast without having to starve yourself or give up your favorite foods. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Part 1. Crush your goals. First things first, let's talk about setting your goals. It's important to set realistic goals that you can achieve in 1 month. Don't expect to lose 20 kilos in just 30 days. Instead, aim to lose 2 to 3 kilos a week. This is a healthy and achievable target that will keep you motivated and on track. Part 2. Sweat it out. Now, on to the fun stuff: exercise. But don't worry, you don't have to spend hours at the gym. We're going to make exercise fun and exciting. Try out different activities like dancing, swimming, hiking, or even a game of basketball with your friends. The key is to get your heart rate up and burn those calories. Aim to work out at least 4 to 5 times a week for maximum results. Part 3. Eat smart. Now, let's talk about food. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or bland. In fact, there are plenty of delicious and nutritious foods that you can enjoy while still losing weight. Opt for lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu. Load up on fresh fruits and veggies and swap out refined carbs for whole grains. And don't forget to drink plenty of water to keep your body hydrated. Part 4. Track your progress. One of the most important things you can do when trying to lose weight is to track your progress. This will help you stay motivated and see the results of your hard work. Take measurements of your waistline, hips, and thighs at the start of the month, and then measure again after 2 weeks and at the end of the month. You'll be amazed at how much progress you can make in just 30 days. Part 5. Get some rest. It's not just about working out and eating healthy. Sleep also plays a huge role in weight loss. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night to keep your hormones balanced and your metabolism firing on all cylinders. If you have trouble falling asleep, try practicing some relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing exercises. Part 5. Stay accountable. Finally, make sure to stay accountable by tracking your progress and staying motivated. Share your journey on social media or join a support group to keep track. Kindly subscribe our channel for more videos and don't forget to like